It's like 7 in the morning and we're gonna take a little walk to the beach. What?
You wonder why deserts have sand?
No. So we just saw some dolphins and we're actually gonna leave because Mario wants to leave. Oralia, ¿nos vas a disparar un Earth Cafe?
You will, honey.
I ran a mile. Oralia didn't want to run with me because she didn't want to
I'm
run.
too tired.
She's, according to her, too tired, but I ran because I'm stronger than Oralia. And there's some dolphins over there. There's dolphins there. Hopefully Oralia buys me some Earth Cafe. We'll see.
Win the lottery.
We'll see in the next clip.
Next.
And voila, we made it to Earth
Oh my
Cafe.
God, you little.
You little twit. Oralia?
Crystal's paying, by the way. I
Crystal,
forgot to say that.
yes, Crystal is going to be paying with my Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. So, Aurelia's talking to me about her toenails scratching her shoes. I don't know. But look at this. My mango and strawberry smoothie. And Aurelia and Mario's mocha. Oralia approves. Does Mario approve?
He needs to think about it.
So Mario got quesadillas. Aurelia got egg and potatoes and her favorite mushrooms
Yes.
and green
Got
stuff.
that right.
And I got my Diablo panini with fruit. Mario's pancakes.
Ya no puede. Va con otro plato. We'll go get a box. We'll take that one.
A free waffle. Look, it says here we prosecute shoplifters. Aurelia, are you
Face and body wash.
a shoplifter?
Please.
Of course I am.
Have money to pay.
Of course I am a shoplifter, Crystal. Look at her. Just opening stuff.
Smells good.
This is what
Like
first
the
stages of a
rose.
shoplifter.
Rose scent smell.
Rosa. Me and Oralia are gonna fight, guys. Make sure to stay tuned. December the 4th. Oh, that's Mario's birthday.
Crazy.
What?
December the 4th.
Knocked down right there. She's gonna fall.
Why is this $5? This is cheaper.
Well, look at the store we're in, Oralia.
No, the other ones are more pricey.
Oralia, do you think I could be famous?
Yes.
Thank you. Can we get a fit check? Where did you get that shirt?
I forgot.
What about the sweater?
Marcos gave it to me.
Marcos. What about the pants?
I purchased them.
Where?
Got them at Costco.
Costco.
Got
We're
them at
Costco
Ross.
guys. Are you a Costco guy, Oralia?
Got them at Ross.
Are you a Costco guy?
Not a guy.
Are you a Costco woman?
Yes.
We're Costco guys. Of course we're gonna go to Costco and spend $600 every single time. Right, Oralia?
Yes. Sounds like about right.
Sounds like about right. Does not make sense. Where did you get those shoes?
Costco.
Oralia, you have a stain on
I
those
know.
shoes.
Stop putting my shoes in there. Need to clean. I mean, Crystal needs to clean them for me.
Me and Mario are buying baby stuff. Mario's having a child. first ever skin on Fortnite. Hey, so we're here with my homie. We're 20 minutes away from our destination, and guess where we're going? The beach. So yeah, we'll see you there. Trump 2024! So me and Melissa are finally parked.
We found parking.
So Melissa's doing a hairstyle right now. She has a really cute C clip. Oh, yeah. I didn't see that one.
Alright.
So we're quite far from the beach, but
It's okay, because that means we're gonna walk down stores.
exactly, which means we get an exercise.
Yes, the cardio.
Okay guys, so we're leaving.
We're out of here. It's cold. Do you see my goosebumps?
It's very cold. Look at, wait, let me focus it. Melissa's goosebumps.
But how does
I
the song
get
go?
those goosebumps every time.
I forgot. I have short-term memory loss.
Short-term memory loss. Saying goodbye to the beach. So these pictures were slaytastic.
Slaytastic.
Oh, Melissa's back. Age is getting to. Whoa!
Pause.
Cut the camera. So, whoa!
We don't have to see the Trump guy.
Oh yeah, guys, there's a Trump guy. So much.
This is how you know we're out to shade.
There's these cute stores. They're very exotic.
Yeah.
Exotic. Look at that dog. It's Melissa. They're both white. So the car is over there.
I believe you here. And I'm gonna go home. You're gonna be here stranded.
No, do not say that.
Yeah.
Me and Melissa were rebellious. We crossed that light when it was red. They're
That would
cool.
be such a vibe. You know their parents are rich. Back in our neighborhood, if we do that, we'd be kidnapped the next day.
So we're currently in 12th Street,
Yeah.
Manhattan Beach.
Look at this house.
Melissa, where are you from? 12th Street.
Compton.
Oh, Compton. Oh la la.
I'm gonna show you this house right
Melissa's
here.
not from Compton.
1995 brick cottage, 5 bedrooms.
She's actually from Beverly Hills.
Yeah, can't you tell? No.
Oh. The toenails.
Whoa, pause.
You guys, make sure to pause the video and screenshot her toenails.
Dave, they're not painted.
Melissa, would you ever sew your feet?
I sure will.
Give me 5.
I'll wait.
No, give me 4. Give me 4. Man, we made it to Melissa's car, and we're gonna go to eat some Raising Cane's chicken fingers.
Did it all bad?
A car tour.
It's a little dirty right now, actually, but you know, sure. Alright, so right here we have, let me turn it on so you can see. Hold on, look.
I closed the door on my head.
Hold on. You're not supposed to see this part.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at that house. And then Melissa had no reflection.
Jesus. Oh,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow, it's such a clean car. It's like you always never, it's like it's just clean and you never clean it. Wow.
Do you smell that?
Wow. Is it just like automatic? It just...
Yeah, it's a feature in the car. It sprays from
Oh, that
right
smells
back
grape.
here.
It smells grape.
Yeah. So you see right here we have a 6.5-inch TV with Apple Play. You see right here? Yeah. Let's go to Spotify. Pitbull, Mr. Worldwide.
Whoa.
Mr. 305. Anyways,
Why
let's
was
shuffle
there
that.
Spider-Man? Melissa, do you feel good? Oh, whoa. All right, we're gonna have a little concert right now.
You be mad too. Mad cool. Bad. You probably told you I'm a bad boy. I don't know. I don't know.
I'm already a black dude. Leaving the bathroom, my hands is half rinsed. If only Melissa just had sense. Speaking in past
Did you
tense.
see that? They had a
It's been a
golf
week
cart.
and a half since we speaking in admin. You feeling free in my absence. I've been going through a lot behind this glass tent.
I just got jealous. These people had a golf cart. We're not rich like that.
I
Man,
know
I'm
they told you I'll
drowning.
be back for you. Don't worry, I'll be back for you. All the money and card.
Oh, what the hell was that? God damn
What
it.
the hell? We're arriving in 7 minutes.
But with my speed,
But with her speed, we're arriving in 2.
very much. Very much. I'm just going slow because there's a few cars. in front of us.
Yeah. In the next clip, I'll show you guys Melissa's real speed.
Oh, yeah. Just kidding. Just kidding. It's a friendly neighborhood. They're going to call the cops on me. This is exactly why they don't want us here.
Melissa has said that like 5 times. I think we're not wanted here.
Oh, no.
Okay, guys, we'll see you guys at Cane's.
Yeah.
Yummy. 1 out of 10?
8.5.
8.5? It's looking real delicious to me. And just like that, my friends, there is nothing left. I give it a 9 out of 10. I thought it was great. What about you, Melissa? Still with the 8.5?
No, I'm going to give it a 9 now.
No, she got a little hungry throughout the food eating. It was definitely great.
Tell them what happened.
Oh, somebody got arrested. He was like probably 17. So basically what happened was me and Melissa went to the vending machine because she's addicted to ice.
Yeah, I have an ice addict.
And unfortunately, there was no ice.
It had to be. It had to be.
So we were just there. Melissa trying to pour the ice.
Look at the plane. Look at the plane. It's gonna land.
Oh, do you guys see the plane?
Look at that plane.
Look at that plane. Yeah, you listen to Playboy Cardi. So basically,
Oh my god, I'm in the line.
a cop enters and he says, what does he say? He's like, put your hands up. What is it?
They basically just went in for him.
Yeah, he like opened the door, he looked, and then he closed it, and then when he opened it the second time, he came in here.
Oh, that's right there.
Oh, Jesus. And then he was like, put your hands up, and then the kid, he put his hands up, and he was walking out, and then
I was ready for a shootout to happen.
and then they were searching Kim, and when we left, the cop was like, what did he say?
Oh, it's all fun and games till someone gets hurt.
So we're thinking he probably had a gun, or like something that could get someone hurt. So that's the little story. You listen to Playboy Cardi. Wow!
I don't like this line, but I know if I move, it's gonna.
One. There was 2 Adeles. Let's see. Whoa, another one. That's gonna be me and Melissa. Right, Melissa?
I
know
trying to merge.
And there's another one.
So many more coming though. I don't know. There's still one more behind.
Melissa has to drink plain water now because they didn't have ice, and the ice that she had, she threw it away.
The homies.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah, she's driving how I'm driving.
Melissa threw the ice that she had to get more ice, and then it turns out they didn't have more.
It's not the same. Because my ice had Kool-Aid. It was red ice.
But you could have washed it off.
No, because I had so much Kool-Aid in there. So I had to throw everything out.
Look at that sky. So pretty.
Guys, this is freaking